Hi everyone, I'm back, and look what I have with me today. It is a shape book, and look, everything we've talked about recently with shapes is on the front of this book. We've talked about what has 3 equal sides. Do you remember? You're right, it is a triangle that has 3 equal sides. 1, 2, 3. And then we have what? It's a round. It's round, it does not have a side. That is called a circle. And then the last one, what is that? That has 4 equal sides. It's a triangle. Guess what else we've been talking about that's in this book? Right, insects. Insects. See? Very cool bug book too. This is called Icky Bug Shapes. All right, here we go. All right, let me try to turn this so there's not a glare maybe on the book. All right, can you see it now? I'm going to show you the picture. I can't figure out where I'm at here. And then I'm going to read you the words. Leafcutter ants live underground. They live in huge nests. Some of these nests hold more than 1 million ants. These ants are on their way to work. Did you know ants work? I didn't know that. Every ant has a job to do. Some leafcutter ants are scouts. They tell the other leafcutter ants where to find the nice leaves. The leafcutter ants start walking up the tree. Up they go towards the big juicy leaves. The ants with big jaws do the cutting. The largest ants are the guards. They protect the other ants. All leafcutter ants work as a team. Yep. Working as a team is a great thing. Okay. This is, what's shape? It is a triangle. Leafcutter ants have jaws like scissors. This ant just cut out a triangle. A triangle is a shape with 3 straight sides. But we knew that, didn't we? We learned that earlier. Each side of the triangle is the same length. 1, 2, 3, all the same side. Here's a triangle spider. Most spiders are round. As you can see, this spider has a body shaped like a... What's it shaped like? You're right, a triangle. This triangle spider uses its thorny front legs to catch bugs. Oh, I think you're going to like this one. No, this is not an alien from another planet. It is the face of a praying mantis. This insect's head is shaped like a triangle. Can you point to the triangle? Right, can you trace the triangle? 1, 2, 3. It's like an upside down triangle, isn't it? So look, if we turn it this way, yep, it looks like another triangle. Now that you're experts on finding triangles, look at this bug. Can you see a triangle shape somewhere in its body? You can point it out. There's your triangle shapes. I never thought to look for shapes on a bug, have you? Oh, here's our new shape we're doing. What's that? It's a circle. This leafcutter ant just cut out a perfect circle. A circle is a round shape. It has no straight lines. Each point on the edge of a circle is the same distance to the center. So it's the same distance on each side to the middle or the center of that green circle. These colorful butterflies have circular shapes on the underside of their wings. Why would they have them? Are they a warning to stay away? Are they fake eyes? Do the circles attract other butterflies? No one is really sure why. Okay, what's next? Oh, another insect that we've seen. Yeah, the black and yellow one. Bumblebees are fuzzy all over. These are not bumblebees. They are carpenter bees. They have a smooth, shiny abdomen. Abdomen is another name for like your stomach. Right. Carpenter bees make their nests by chewing holes in the wood. They can even chew a circle into the side of a house. Wow. We've had those at our house before, and we've had to get rid of them. Here's a weevil from Southeast Asia. It looks like someone's design in an art class. There are shapes everywhere in nature. It looks like somebody glued some circles on there, doesn't it? I think that is so amazing that we have things like this in our nature. So cool. Oh, what shape is that? You say it out loud? You're right, it's a square. These leafcutter ants have cut out a square. A square is a shape with 4 sides that are the same length. All 4 corners of a square are at right angles, just like the pages in this book. Here are 2 moths back to back. Their bodies are positioned right to make a square. A square is a very hard shape to find in the wild. So this isn't one butterfly, this is 2 butterflies, and their wings are touching. See, here's 1 butterfly, here's 2. So like 2 triangles put together can make a square. 4 hungry caterpillars are looking for a tasty leaf. 1 is walking left, 1 is moving right, 1 is going up, and 1 is traveling down. They are inch long. The square will disappear. There are 2 lacewings. They have stopped to take a rest on a clothesline. Each lacewing has 4 wings. Their long, skinny hind wings line up to form a square. The leafcutter ant cut out an oval. An oval is a shape that looks like a stretched circle. The wind just blew this ant off the tree. Whoa! There it goes. We haven't talked about ovals yet, but I'm sure that's coming soon. Take a look at this grasshopper. Can you find an oval shape on its body? Okay, can you find an oval shape? I see one. You're right. Its eye is shaped like an oval. Here are some oval-shaped ladybugs. Most ladybugs have polka dots. These Australian ladybugs have zigzag designs on their back. They're from a different country, so we haven't seen this kind around here. They're from Australia. That's thousands and thousands of miles away. Longhorn beetles have unusually long antennas. They are so long they stretch around the beetle's body and make an oval shape. Wow, look how long its antennas are. The little things that come up out of their head. They're so long it can go all the way around their body. And look at the amazing colors. Red and green and brown and blue. Aren't those beautiful? Next, we have a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 right angles. The sides next to each other are different lengths. The opposite sides are the same length. So see how there's 2 long sides and 2 short sides. That's a rectangle. Walking sticks do not look like bugs. They look like twigs or sticks. 2 of them are walking from one branch to another. They form remember, 2 long sides and 2 short sides? They form a rectangle. And look, they look exactly like sticks or branches you would see on a tree. That's why they're called walking sticks. The net casting spider is very clever. See it? It builds a web and then throws it on the bug to try. Hold on, let me start over. It builds a web and then throws it on the bug it's trying to catch. Sometimes the web is shaped like a rectangle. So it makes a web instead of the bug crawling into the spider web. The spider throws it on a bug. That's kind of like Spider-Man, what Spider-Man does, isn't it? This cicada has rectangle designs on its wings. Cicadas are the loudest of all insects. They make a buzzing sound. So you know when you're outside at night, mostly in the evening, and you hear that loud noise of bugs or insects, they are cicadas. Oh, this shape is a pentagon. There are leafcutter bees too. These leafcutter bees cut out a pentagon shape. A pentagon is a shape that has 5 sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides. A mother beetle just laid her eggs in the shape of a pentagon. The markings on the eggs make them look like happy faces. More insects are coming soon. So each one of those eggs has a baby insect in it. See how it looks like little smiley faces? A hexagon. Hexagon. Sometimes leafcutter ants cut flower petals too. This leafcutter ant is carrying a hexagon. Hexagon has, let's count. Let's see how many sides. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. A hexagon. Hexagons are very common in nature. Bees and wasps make hexagon-shaped nests. These wasps chew wood to make this paper nest. So see how that looks like hexagons? Do we ever mess, if you see something like this, do we ever mess with it? No. Because bees and wasps can sting you, so we want to stay away from them. We don't need to be scared of them. You just don't want to touch them, right? If you leave them alone, they're going to leave you alone. Yeah. After a long walk, the leafcutter ants are coming home. They are carrying all the shapes down to their nest. You should recognize the shapes the ants are carrying on this page. The rectangle, the oval, the square, the circle, the triangle will soon be underground. So triangle, circle, square, oval, rectangle. That's called a crescent. It looks like a moon, doesn't it? Heart, star, spiral, I guess. And a diamond, which we haven't talked about. I'm sure this has a different name. I'm going to see if I can find out what it is. Inside the nest, the smaller leafcutter ant chops the leaves into tiny pieces. The pile of chewed leaves decays and grows fungus. So that means it kind of breaks down and kind of loses its shape, and then it helps other plants grow. The leafcutter ants eat the fungus. Oh, delicious. And they grow their own food. Wow. Leafcutter ants are farmers too. So a fungus is kind of like a mushroom. Have you ever eaten a mushroom, like on a pizza or in your salad? Mushrooms are yummy, and it's also called a fungus. I'm glad you enjoyed us today to read our Icky Bug Shape book, and I will talk to you all soon, and I can't wait to meet you. Have a great night.